Cherry. Cherry, come to me. Come to me, Cherry. Come to me, Cherry. Don't you want to come to me, buddy? Yeah, go girl, go girl, go girl. You like flying, don't you? You want to go anywhere else? Yeah, go girl, go girl, go girl, go girl. Still kind of scared. But we're flying antiques, it's so random. Cherry, you want to go in your cage? What are you doing, Cherry? What is that? Look, it's a spray can. Oh no. Spray can. Okay, that's not a good spray can. Cherry, what you trying to do?
Oh, can you take the spray can away for me?
Cherry, don't be scared, okay? Oh, okay, I got the spray can. Spray can. Oh, I got the spray can.
He's following you.
Really?
Yeah. He went back.
Oh, how wholesome. Cherry? Cherry? Cherry, no, no. Don't touch metal, okay? Metal is bad, okay? It's dangerous.
Is Cherry causing trouble?
Nah, not that much trouble though. Cherry, you want to come to me? You want to come? Where do you want to go? Yeah, go girl! You're trying to fly. You want to go see the view, Cherry? You want to go see the view? Yay! Yeah, good girl, Cherry. Good girl. You want to do another flying? You want to fly again? Cherry, come on, come fly. Good girl, good girl, good girl, Cherry. Good girl, Cherry. Cherry, you want to go to the toy car stand? I thought you love it.
He's following me again.
Ah, Cherry, good girl, good girl. You're trying to fly. Good job. You like flying, don't you? Yay! Come here, come here. Hey. What are you trying to do, Cherry?
Jerry, a bad girl, bad girl.
You're being a good girl today. You want to fly again? You want corn? Cherry! Cherry, you like the view still, don't you? Hang on a minute, Cherry. Hang on a minute for you. For you. I'm going to. And now, Cherry, look. We have clear view here. You want me to move this? Cherry, what are you trying to do? You're waddling around.
Kiss? You want the kiss?
You want the kiss?
You want the kiss? You want the kiss? Jerry loves the house. Jerry likes the house.
What are you doing down there, Cherry? What you doing? Cherry?
Jerry? No, bad girl, bad
No, Cherry, don't bite it. You're trying to climb, huh? Cherry, be careful.
Was it Jerry climbing it?
Yes, you're climbing. Look, Cherry's trying to climb. Cherry, don't climb it secret. Oh, good girl, Cherry. Don't down.
Mommy, Jerry's climbing something. Look at Jerry, Mommy.
Oh, no, sorry, Cherry. Oh, my camera's not that focused.
No, he's on the climbing frame.
Cherry.
Oh, can you put Jerry down, please?
She's gonna fly down. Don't worry. She's gonna fly down.
Can you fly?
Yeah, she'll fly down.
You fly off.
Cherry, Cherry, Cherry!
I'm scared.
Cherry, you okay? How are you gonna get down, little girl? How are you gonna get...
Find the way.
Huh?
She gonna find the way.
True. They are very smart birds anyways. Cherry, what do you wanna do? Do you wanna climb down or you want to fly? You can fly down there if you want to.
I'm that scared.
No, I'm not scared. Don't worry.
What's wrong with him?
Trying to find a way to get down, okay? Cherry, what do you want to do? Do you want to fly or do you want to try climbing down? Cherry, sorry for the camera.
He's so Is it next week?
That's me. Come on.
Cherry's stuck.
What's wrong?
Cherry's stuck, yeah. And Cherry wants to look somewhere else.
Oh, we gotta take Cherry to the living room. Cherry, bad bro.
She's doing fine, she's doing fine.
Eclectus parrot be like. I think eclectus parrot be like.
Cherry!
Is this how actual eclectus
Good
parrots
girl.
act like?
What are you trying to do? You trying to get down now?
I can't believe we have a bird that needs a license.
True, it's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cherry, what you doing? Oh, Cherry, you okay? Sorry about that angle. Cherry?
Is Cherry okay?
The Cherry's fine. Cherry, you okay? Cherry, you okay? Do you have any pain? Cherry, come back. Don't be scared. Don't run away from us, okay? Don't run away from us, okay? Oh, she wants to go out, okay. So, Cherry, you can look at the view on Cherry. What are you doing, Cherry? Why are you climbing? What if you fall and hurt yourself? Won't that be dangerous? Won't that be dangerous? You want a treat? You want corn? You want corn, Cherry? What are you doing, Cherry? You must be stuck.
She's stuck.
Oh no, Cherry. Oh, good girl. Good girl, okay. You stuck? You want some help?
Get Cherry out.
She'll be fine. Cherry. Oh no, you're stuck, Cherry. What are you gonna do? You're gonna fly down, right?
What do you want mom does?
What do you want to do? Oh, should you save him?
Cherry, you're stuck. Oh no. You made it to the top, Cherry.
Can you do it hard way to get him down?
She'll come down on her own, don't worry. She'll come down on her own, don't worry. Cherry, take your time. Okay, good girl. You're gonna fly or you want to climb?
Wanna come? No?
Good girl.
Brother?
Cherry, spin the girl today.
You wanna go inside, Cherry?
Yes.
Wanna go?
Yes.
Good girl.
Oh, good girl,
He's
Cherry.
been the best girl. He's been better.
You wanna come back outside or you wanna go?
Abu,
You wanna come back
Did he
outside?
been better today?
Yeah, she's been a lot better today.
Yeah.
Alright.
Abu, is he better than yesterday?
Yeah. She's getting better.
I'm actually so happy about that.
Abu, are we taming him?
Yeah.
Is this how you tame a parrot?
Yeah, this is how we do it.
Yeah.
You've been the best girl.
Good girl, Cherry. You've been amazing. Tomorrow or like after in a few hours, I'll let you out again, okay? Good girl. What are you trying to do, huh?
I'm trying to eat, baby.
Good girl.